वेलकम बैक स्टूडेंट्स। हम अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 करेंगे। कहते हैं ड्रॉ ए पाई चार्ट शोइंग द फॉलोइंग इन्फॉर्मेशन। अब आपको पाई चार्ट डालना, ड्रॉ द फॉलोइंग इन्फॉर्मेशन। द टेबल shows the colors preferred by a group of people. So below is a table. So four colors are given, and each color is being liked by some number of people. That is blue is liked by 18 number, green 9 is number of people, red 6, and yellow is 3. Total is 36. Now we have to draw pie chart. How we are going to draw a pie chart? Here we have to find this number. We have to convert this number into an angle. We have to convert this number into angle. So number of, here it is solution is given in the form of a table. Central angle will always remain 360 degree, and the total number of people here are 36. And the total number of people or something can vary from one question to another. So blue is liked by 18. Out of how many? So first you have to convert it into fraction. 18 by 36. 36 is the total number of people. So when we simplify it, it turns out to be 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36. Now we have to convert it into angle. In order to convert it into an angle, we have to multiply it by 360 degree central angle, and it turns out to be 180 degree. In the same way, green turns out to be 90 degree, red turns out to be 60 degree, yellow turns out to be 30 degree. Now if you calculate the central angles we got against the number of people and color being liked by those people, you will notice that the sum is actually equal to 360 degrees. So now with the help of this table you can draw a pie chart. How you are going to draw a pie chart? First angle is 180 degree. So here we have two methods of doing it. Either just take a center point and draw a radius, then put your D on that and draw the smallest angle. Here it is 30. Then after in ascending order 30, 60 and 90, the largest angle will appear. After drawing 30, 60 and 90, the remaining will be 180. And the other method is either first draw the larger angle and then smaller angle in descending order. So whichever way you would like to have it. So below is given the pie chart. Now look, in this question number 4, it is given that you can read the question. It is given that pie chart is given in number of, it is not numbers, so it is mathematics. Out of 400 mathematics, if the total marks obtained by the students were 440, the number of total marks obtained in the given subjects is 540. So the pie chart given here, it is not in numbers, it is in degrees. It is very important to just notice it. Some students may say that it is a 90 and 65 as a number, but it is not, it is degree. So now what we have to do, we have to convert these degree into numbers. So what we are going to do first is mathematics. Mathematics is central angle. So we have to obtain the mark. Central angle is given. Central angle is 90 degree. Out of how many degrees? 360. Multiply by the total number of students. So that turns out to be 135. In the same way, 65 degree divided by 360 degree into 540 degree. In the same way you can do. So what is the difference between two questions given over here? In the earlier question, data was given and we have to draw pie chart. Here pie chart is given in terms of degrees and we have to convert into numbers. So after doing the calculation, after getting all the numbers with the help of given degrees and using central angle, the students, we can answer these questions easily. The student scored 105 marks in Hindi. Okay, in which subject did the student score 105? So you can just look up into the table and notes 105 students scored in Hindi. And in the same way, marks obtained in mathematics 135, marks obtained in Hindi 105, difference is 30, difference between mathematics and, so same is the question.